Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to add products to collection on Shopify. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, to add products to collection, first of all we need to create a collection. So for that, click on products and select collections. Now click on create collection, give the collection title here. And you can enter your collection description here, and now you can add a collection image. And collection type, you can select automated, existing and future products that match the condition you set will automatically be added to this collection, or you can select manual, add products to this collection one by one. So I'm going to selecting for now manual, and now I'm going to click on save. So here we can see I've successfully created my collection, and now let's see how to add products to this collection. So for that, click on products, and you can add previous product to the collection. So for that, open any product and scroll down to the right hand side, and here you'll find this collection option. So I'm going to click on collections, and from here selecting my new summer collection and clicking on save. And now I'm going to my collections again and opening my new collection, and here you can see the product has been added. And the same way you can add new product, and inside of this product you will find collection option, and click on collection option, and from here select your collection. So this was how we can add products to collection on Shopify. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.